Kauai's Na Pali Coast, renowned for its breathtaking cliffs and lush landscapes, is a paradise that begs caution. While its beauty attracts adventurers, several hazards lurk in this stunning environment. The coastline features steep cliffs with treacherous trails that can be easily slippery from rain, and sudden weather changes can catch even the savviest hikers off guard. Ocean conditions are equally perilous. Strong rip currents and unpredictable waves make swimming dangerous, especially for inexperienced swimmers. Marine life adds to the risks. Jellyfish and sea urchins are common, and encounters can lead to painful stings or injuries. Historically, the area has seen tragic incidents, with fatalities resulting from falls or drownings. The remoteness of Na Pali means emergency services can be slow to respond, exacerbating the dangers. Visitors often leave with tales of close calls, reminding us that this beauty comes with a price. To explore Na Pali safely, it's crucial to heed local warnings, respect nature, and prepare adequately. This captivating coastline is a reminder that nature, while stunning, commands our respect and caution.